So, oh my gosh, this is Miko, and she's talking to me. But yeah, this is Miko. Oh. So here we've got a carrot.
No, okay, I reckon that was like 15K.
Oh.
It is. When you search up on Google Maps.
And got a zucchini.
You know the Dog Miko? You said that ride that we just did yesterday. It's like 160. Then 40 short.
Here we've got an eggplant. Only a small piece because it's safe, but only in a small amount. And then we've got raspberry.
You know Nike Run Club?
It's freeze dried.
That has the GPS.
She'll still eat it. Good girl.
Actually, once you
Sit.
start running, it will
Sit.
start to work out, and then when you stop, it says
Okay,
pausing will
sit.
start.
Oh, okay, you can lie down.
Nike Run Club, every time
So,
I
got a mandarin.
the road, like where it goes into the actual park.
And we've got
That's 3K.
a piece of
Okay, I got
Ow.
it again, but I don't think it's 15. I would say it's closer to 10.
You went up.
We've got another piece of, oh man, she's really into this. Well, she's getting free food, so she'll be into anything with food. Now we got a strawberry here. It's a bit soggy, but oh crap. Crap. And then we got some mangoes. Ah, this is kind of gross, but she'll eat anything. So we got another carrot, so why not? And so here we've got a loofah plant. Oh, my hand's all slobbery. Ah. Or another name for this loofah plant is a petua. I don't know, angled loofah. I don't know, there was a lot of names for it, but there she goes. She's still gonna lick my hand. So that's all the, you know, she ate everything. Everything's gone. So she eats anything and everything. That's my dog. Down. Good girl. Shake. She's a bit rough. Ah, shake. Okay, touch. Good girl. And that is my dog. Turn. Good girl. Good girl.